Hi guys, my name's Celeste and I got my iPhone, and today I am going to show you guys how I customize it. I'm not really sure how to do this because I want to have my face, but on this side I'm going to have what my phone looks like, and I'm still decorating it. So as you can see, I have the home screen and it has like the time and all the basic settings and whatnot. And then on the next screen, I did have a header and put all the icons of what is related to that header there. And then yeah, so I'm gonna be doing that and showing you guys how I do that. So it's really simple. So first and foremost, you want to know what you're going to how you're going to decorate it. So I wanted my fonts to have cursive in it, which you can edit the font for your phone. So I just found a font editor or generator online, and I'll put it in the link below. But I just copied and pasted it. And then for the icon, I know I want my phone to be baby blue. So I just searched up Google Photos, baby blue icon. And so I saw this one and it looked pretty, you know, well. Which obviously, I hope you guys know how to save photos, because you would just be saving the photo into your gallery. But yeah, sorry, I slowed this down because I did it super fast. But after that, you want to type in shortcuts, which your phone should already have it, unless you deleted it. And then you would want to hit the little plus button on the upper right hand corner. And then it will pull up this thing that says open app. So since currently I'm doing Google Photos, I type in Google Photos, it will pop up, it'll show all your apps, and then yeah, then that's what it will look like. You can hit the little arrow that's on the top, middle, center, and then hit rename, and that is where you will paste what you had copied from the website of the font generator, which again, I wanted it to have a cursive font. You can choose whatever the heck you want. But yeah, and then you would want to add it to your home screen by hitting the little icon at the bottom. I'm gonna do this twice so y'all can see it. I'm gonna circle it as well. Yeah, and then you'll hit add to home screen, because that is what will add it to your home screen. Yeah, and then you would choose the left icon and it says choose photos. Don't laugh, I was looking at my side profile. I'm not gonna try to edit it out. But yeah, that's embarrassing, but whatever. Yeah, and this is my photo, and then you hit add at the top right hand corner, and then it would be on your screen. And I am not going to open my photos again. I thought about it and then I was like, wait, I have embarrassing photos, so I didn't. But yeah, you can move it around, do whatever. Yeah, I added it to the front screen because that's where all my basic stuff is. I removed my other stuff from the home screen. Make sure you don't delete it, lol. But yeah, just make sure you don't delete that, because if you delete the app, you won't be able to open the app and you have just deleted the app. So yeah, just remove it from the home screen. I'm also going to show you how I did the headers and the widgets. So yeah. So first you want to download this app called Widgetsmith, and you would open the app. And as you can see, you can mess around with it however you want. You can add photos. There's a lot of settings. You could just look through it yourself. All my other images are from Google, but obviously like the headers, I did a medium widget, and then I added my text with the same font from the website I used earlier, and then I changed the theme to match the color scheme that I'm going for. So to add it to your screen, you'll hold down, hit edit, type in Widgetsmith or widget, and then you pick your widget size, and then you can hold down or press on it, and it'll let you edit the widget. So obviously when you edit it, you could pick from whatever you've already created in the app. And yeah, that's all you do. Obviously after that, you can rearrange everything. You can move things around,
make it look how you want it to look, and, you know, get creative, whatever.
So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that helped somebody. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a good day. Hopefully you guys make your phone all cutesy and pretty. They did change it from when it first came out, because when it first came out, it would like take you to 3 different apps or something before it took you to the app. But yeah, make sure you don't chain it. Make sure everything is like on its own open app setting and its own folder essentially. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good day.